Good morning, everyone. It's Paul from Prestige Binary Options, and welcome to our very first Maximus Edge update of the week. Today is the 2nd of October, so it is a Monday, which means we are at the beginning of a brand new trading week. So because today is Monday, guys, I decided that for today, we're going to keep things simple. We'll do some automated trades. We're going to review some of my live trades that have been initiated by Maximus Edge Autobot. But of course, at the very end of the video, we will also wait for these trades to close and we will review the results. That way we can see how well Maximus Edge Autobot is performing overall and for the day. And in addition, guys, I will also recap some important updates and tips that we had discussed last week, just in case if you missed any of our previous updates. So before we get started, guys, don't forget to like our videos and be sure to subscribe to our channel. That way you can get notifications on all of our future updates. And be sure to check out any and all information located down below in our video descriptions. That way you can click the links and learn more about Maximus Edge and the features they provide, as well as links to our previous videos. So guys, if you are just joining us for the first time, Maximus Edge Autobot is a automated trading software that we have been using for just about a week now, guys, and the results have been very, very impressive. If you've been following us since day one, we started off with the minimum balance of $250. We have certainly come a long way. The results have been impressive. Our balance has certainly increased quite a bit, and this is mainly in regards to the fact that Maximus Edge Autobot provides amazing signals, guys. These signals are strong, they're highly accurate, and it's just very simple and easy to use. So if you're not really familiar with the software, Maximus Edge Autobot does a lot of the work for you. They analyze the market, so all you have to do is just choose specifically which signals you want, and all the signals are located for you here on their charts. What's really great about this feature, guys, is the fact that it allows traders full control over the app. So all you have to do is type in your dollar amount here, and what's great is you can do, $25 trades, which is the average trade per trade. But if you're new to online trading, you can go as low as maybe $5 or $10 or $15. So this allows beginner traders to, place more trades while risking less. Now, what's great about the software, guys, is that they provide you with everything. So if you look over here, you can see that we have currently 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades that are currently open. These are trades that have been initiated by the Maximus Edge Autobot. Now we can also go into our connected broker just to confirm that our trades are registered properly in our broker. And as you can see, we have our current open trades of 6 total trades. Now, of course, prices are going up and down, which is why they're fluctuating between red and green. So I'm hoping that things will level out before our expiration time, and hopefully we'll have more trades that are in the green. Not too worried about it right now, because don't forget, guys, last week I shared with you that using the economic calendar is very important, and for today there are a lot of national holidays happening within a lot of countries, especially within the Asian region, but we also have a lot of high impact news that is affecting and will be affecting the euro. We also have high impact news affecting the USD, and a lot that will be happening with the Australian dollar as well. So it's a pretty eventful day, guys, in terms of the financial markets, especially for a Monday. So it's very important to use this tool. This is a great tool that you can use to understand what's happening during the financial markets, to avoid trading during high volatile conditions. So seeing that we have a lot of activity happening today is a main reason why our prices are just jumping up and down between the red and green ratios. So of course, our main goal is to hopefully reach our targeted direction soon. But what's great about Maximus Edge, guys, is that it does a very good job, identifying certain trends, especially under these market conditions. I'm not saying that you should trade it during high volatile times, but there are times when it can be a little bit unavoidable. But Maximus Edge Autobot is capable of adjusting itself properly during these conditions. So I'm hoping that this would be another profitable trading session, but we will wait and see. So what we're going to do, guys, is just quickly pause this video, and then we will come back, allow these trades to close, and then we will check in within Maximus Edge Autobot and our connected broker to take a look at those results for this Monday morning. So stay tuned, guys, don't go anywhere, and we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, we are back, so we can log back into the Maximus Edge Autobot and take a look into the results. Now guys, when you are using Maximus Edge Autobot, you could do one of a few things when it comes to checking in your latest trades and see how well your results were. Obviously, located down below on the page, they show you your most recent trades and transactions for your wins and your losses. So here we have our registered 6 trades. Obviously, another thing that you can do is, of course, check in with your balance. Whether you have an increase or decrease is obviously a clear indication of whether or not you had a profitable trading session. In this case, we do have that nice increase, which is very refreshing because, in all honesty, guys, when we were waiting for those trades to close, I was a little bit nervous, due to a lot of activity happening within the financial markets, and a lot of those trades were in the red. But as expected and as we were hoping, those trades had fluctuated towards our designated direction. So we could actually take a closer look here, guys. Actually going to our broker, and this is something that I'm always reminding traders to do. This is just a helpful way to confirm that everything is properly registered between your broker and your trading software, because after all, your broker is where your money is. So here we have our 6 trades, guys, and what's great is that we only suffered that one loss, which was the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. So we lost that by quite a bit for a call position, and it dropped down to 187. I did notice that even in our winning trades, we did have a couple of close calls. For instance, the USD JPY entering at 829 for a put, and it only closed at 827. So we only won that trade by 2 small little pips. So that came pretty close, but fortunately, that turned out to be a winning trade. So from the 1 losses and the 5 winning trades, guys, we made a total profit of around $74.25. So not a bad turnout, guys. And if you pay attention to the starting times and expirations, these trades only lasted between 15 to 30 minutes. So making $75 in profits in under a half hour of trading is not a bad turnout, guys. And remember that all of these signals are provided for you by Maximus Edge Autobot. It does most of the work for you. It analyzes the markets. It does a lot of the heavy lifting. So all you have to do is just choose which signals you want to trade. It's that simple, guys. And don't forget that you also have total control over the values of each trade that you want to do. So if you want to increase them or if you want to decrease them, that power and those decisions are up to you, whichever way you want. And of course, if you haven't seen this video, guys, we went over this. We posted this video last week where we went over the importance and tips on how to properly read investing.com, looking at the economic calendars, understanding, what's happening during current market conditions. So if you have not seen that video yet, guys, I highly recommend that you check it out. And of course, I will leave the link to that video down below in the video description. But overall, guys, Maximus Edge Autobot does perform very, very well, and it continues to be consistent and a reliable trading software for beginners. So if you're interested, guys, check out all the information below. You can click the link, get your own free copy of Maximus Edge Autobot, and start profiting with it today. If you have any questions, feel free to email me directly at prestigebinary@gmail.com, or as always, you can always comment on my videos and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget, guys, to like our videos and be sure to subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss out on any of our future and upcoming updates. I will be back later on today and we will do some manual trading using the Maximus Edge Autobot signal. So stay tuned and you don't want to miss out on that as well. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my very first live auto trading update of the week using Maximus Edge Autobot. Have a great day and I'll see you in a couple hours.